Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the background from your images in Vistacreate. This is a great way to create professional looking images for your website, social media, or even for personal use. Let's get started step-by-step tutorial. Click on this template. Select your image. Click on Edit Image. Click on Remove Background. Vistacreate will automatically remove the background from your image. Save image on your PC. Click on the Export button. Click on HDPNG. Your image was successfully saved on the laptop. Thanks again for watching this tutorial on how to remove the background in Vistacreate. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.